Okay, Zena, what were you saying?
I said you're on and you're on.
No, what did you say the other thing about knowledge?
Knowledge, you have a knowledge.
I have knowledge?
Yeah, you have a knowledge.
How do you know?
You have a mango in your taste.
So, what does that consist of? Zena, what does knowledge consist of?
Nothing. You have a knowledge. Makeup.
Where's the makeup? Who put makeup on your face?
You. Hello. That's me. Some not like a share.
It's okay. I'll put you some more.
Okay,